Okoman Radio, your station all day. Okoman Radio. Okoman, the Kramute. Okoman Radio, 97.1. Okoman Radio, 97.1.
Everybody, do what you do.
Yes, it's 3 p.m. on the dot. Yes, time checking as it is now 3 p.m. Taxi driver, truck driver, and cross some remote take us a video. You're from in Kwame Mpere A.K.A. from the Phynest. The man in our catcher, me. And it's all about a safest driver, me day, bro. I bring Biara with the Casa video never to a 97.1 radio. 3 p.m. It goes to 5:30. I said yes, I'm some power radio. So yes, it's going to be another year to exciting, entertaining, informative, educative, another innovative moment with me on radio. And it's all about the safest drive, Akwaaba Drive. Alright, come on, 97.1. Mami Chia be Piara Wuti Casa video one yam for Musokra. It's on the sun yet, done, I had an go. Into Auditoni, Otofo, any Samre, taxi driver, truck drivers. At the pump for hairdressers. Tete Anyami. Me Mamunina Akwabo.
Welcome. Where's the Lord? Akwaaba. On la rive. Welcome. Where's the Lord? Akwaaba. On la rive.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio, 97.1. Okoman Radio, 97.1. Okoman Radio. And 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio, 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio, 97.1.
Meja ka say Okoman asokwa tumowie gigete. Ne to bar to bu afapa.
Your family frost me wo day in day out be a radio no na da Okoman radio 97.1 ti me srem we be am fan dem to na ne mapa e ma mu nyina
Munia Setetia Otra Tuition Okoman radio mamba un transit monio ofie ni fie Okoman radio papa
Abrama maneka say Mom's joint back up Amamfo Ekufu road Okoman radio oh we champion Martin Okoman from my bank yo Kenya kra ma say be bia minimum bro kra no po elu na go there should be an tie we size what okay for mine mo dey share abilokos captain retired back up na na jenya mrebe brother share Okoman radio they have come to stay on my team man to many now boss kwala man as we dey almost see we can for radio to Okoman radio netie ene panel konieko achasie
your friend me Grace Okoman radio you are the best number 1 Paramount so chedi kan for yenhia mo a ekebebe Ruta you are fantastic kasa
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Assalamu alaikum Okoman Radio. Medina Sadiki Abdullahi, mon frère Miyaro, Munti Okoman Radio da Edas.
Ayame Adle Dubu, me wo Parliament Sports. Mine Okoman Radio nhwenim. Ni wala sitre debia no po eyo ame the phone Okoman. Ti mo amuti Okoman na so bia ndi o ye body sempa damase.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Ayame Adle Dubu, me wo Parliament Sports. Mine Okoman Radio nhwenim. Ni wala sitre debia no po eyo ame the phone Okoman. Ti mo amuti Okoman na so bia ndi o ye body sempa damase. Ayame Adle Dubu, me wo Parliament Sports. Okoman opposite. Me de fi anopa Okoman wia anobifa. Me wala sitre ba le da. Ti misre mo amuti Okoman na so bia ndi o ye body sempa damase.
Imi asabianga wengeze sport dinone ike Okoman radio kone lakpakpan layo le Okoman radio 97.1 no fe no kone nuwe konyechu
Ibiaji Evans Okoman radio Ibwajo wa kibiro inu le wa we 97.1 ngasoma ya kibiro inu ni wa we lo Ibwajo wa we gasa we no fero ko every day do oewa uno jano
Station for Okoman radio aka lejole ahawo lumba fine fale no fene go station for lejole wa no la fine imine ka jino den ije so manya sawe na disa opposite ilale no fene go station for Okoman radio aka lejole ahawo lumba fine fale no fene go station for lejole wa no la fine.
No way. Nyame ne ye wa. Oh, nyame ne ye wa. And I was glad what it set out to be. Let us go into the house of the Lord Eye mani je pizza ya seme se me yenko awurade fi. Ne ye wa. Nyami ni ye wa. Nyami ni ye wa. Awiabre wa wani da so asa. Wa wutu wani a ento bi anim. Dada nyami asamre. Wadani nufutebre ba mpempem no na no so na basa mu da biara da. Acha su nyami o chamani su obi aso. Kan tamantu nyami asamre. On kan tamansa wato. Ayo minti mirim nyame. Aye bi afu nyame. Ebi friend Yahweh. Ebi friend Alpha and Omega. Ebi friend King of Kings. And ebi friend Lord of Lords. Now what friend is saying? Weak people revenge, strong people forgive. Intelligent people ignore. Thought of wonders. Weak people revenge, strong people forgive. Intelligent people ignore. Tieni amekani ye wo brofumo. I see weak people revenge. Yanuma samre amo emre. Oma samre bibi kakra bi. Na kan oma hye. Being a weak person comes in so many forms. Ade no say on ka osuro. But strong people forgive. Yanuma we dey na asemo tempa o. O kan ni pempe ano no we. Esi wo ho a. Ana yanuma samri yenimode. A o ma dwimu abopio. Omni intelligent people. Ono bibi anya ne won wa bio asase so. Ade no use ye de boni di ni dan. Ye ne boni pa. Oha no asre onkaza. No aye so ohu. Anything na payini say. Ade akraman be hu obepo no. Ejamwa hu obu na ni chie. Awi abre mami show nkran oba bia wo bia. Indeed, we serve a living God. Master, Christ in Tio Yayadishia. I will serve the church. Sa Euradi abomodin to menu mienu enkwa. Sa Euradi abomodin ma yenimu guasia anka yanshe. Na mo wepeja ya de demfichire de yobesi aye akongwa kase ebisui awiabre minim baabi awo awiabre minim baabi awo nam awiabre minim ade asamre wonse kutamu a wodi di dwuma bi na mo mame no yamfo ya no fafa inde awurade ase esa say I say at the mention of the name every knee shall bow, and every tongue shall confess that indeed Jesus is Lord. And we are bringing minimum kodanda, minimum maninu, minimum bebrese atete sama sembre da wabra bomu. Minimum say we are sia yeti, sia koye nipa akwanya sanyina so. And so kakra beba ya kwemu. Ahwase kakra beba ya kwemu. Ekunumdie kakra beba ya kwemu. Enkoso kakra baba ya akwemu onyi subesi ya akwemu batene Jidia sama medina mama no obecha said there is always a light at the end of the tunnel. There is always a light at the end of the tunnel. Ejuwodie enene mu ayede anyanyi da so sa dama bia be ye. And then officer on Fafu Uni Omusi Ware. And so Bama Bikura Maya Simpo. Niobaya Seno so the Annie and Nami Numi and Sacre. Oje ni samba na no eja ohoko. Bata wi abrei. Mame papa mini aba wutie me. No matter how heavy your heart is. No matter how heavy your heart is. Sanya wakuma aye duwa kodu biya mpempensuo biya. Ewurade se minka jo se jemu manengu. Ni ato no koswode ewurade ase. Na se omo wosoro ba mo. No nyumfim. Stop blaming yourself. Stop blaming others. Say Yesu a oya obano. Oba asase so ni ogini dipa. Ana yi ni ma ye. Eno kura akire no. Esane say Judas eyi Yesu ma ye. A onim odosoro nko awurade adetono no. So when him say Yesu we ono so we. And him guase ato na so. But awurade say men kan cho so say him guase wo na bi to da. Asa men kan cho wi abre say. Say wo beta kom no wawu emparo. Say adwuma Nyankopon de adom wa wo ye ne kakra didi say bebo emparo. Aware asamre wo sa so ba pamu. Anasa be ma papamu. Say anu na awurade betena say. Ensam kitikiti bi ebo begira ho ma na gudie empare no. Asemi kan cho say puna wo bom obebio. Anything I'm saying, God will make a way where there seems to be no way. A funny boy a che answer wato. It one when you abaka say radia denial. One when you abaka say radia you woma. One when you abaka say we are singing up punje radin swapo. A radima your funny maybe sien yansa. A radima your funny maybe send your baby betting to 2 years no more year. I kept to tell you this afternoon. Behold, look up into your Father who is unseen. Say all your prayers to him, and it will be answered. I say, be a person catch ready. I say, go behind your doors, talk to your Father who is unseen. Be careful not to be like the synagogue. Ain't you know? Naka wasam chere ready. No be ye edi amao. I did it for you now, and say amen, Kasiapa. And by watching Abra Okosreni, our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgiving those who trespass against us, and lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thy in the kingdom, the power and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Akete enete. Minister Parky Jr.
So many sour and a disaster. Ilana Fenoke, station 4, Okoman Radio. Lejole, our Lumba. 5 Fenoke, station 4, Lejono Amula.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Within the A.K.A Castro, Mandela Market, a one me watching Castro back no size. Okoman for my de papa, me felem. Okoman for my man here be woo. Oh, Okoman for my Jenina, Mumone, your mamma Jumapa, and then the palm of the abo man you. Yes, you crama sing tree.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Hi.
Ye, so what a children that we can pay me pronounce ya. Now your Okoman radio, and when young, a Kenyan, Sam Kuranyang, you, ain't Eddie Kango, Berman Fum, when I'm so.
Meja ka say Okoman asopua tumowe jijete e to bar to bu afa pa Meja ka say Okoman asopua tumowe jijete e to bar to bu afa pa
Ye, so what a children that we can pay me pronounce ya. Now your Okoman radio, and when young, a Kenyan, Sam Kuranyang, you, ain't Eddie Kango, Berman Fum, when I'm so.
Samika say mimi feel good by you judge yourself. Okoman you so ni na ne power ha.
Okoman radio ayo number 1 ba kope obekwa apemu antama anka yenim ne obetuma ya man yeso onya kubo nsira ne ahoden se nyuma pa won afiase tu anamon won koso na won tu sa anamon Okoman radio obesen edikanfo no Okoman radio ayo kwapman ba kope.
Assalamu alaikum Okoman radio Medina Saliti Abdullahi mon frère Miliaro Munti Okoman radio da edase.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Okay, after mine, one with this year, Abilokos, Captain retired by Kope, Nana Janyam Rebel Brother. Okoman Radio, they have come to stay. On my team, Mantam when you now was while I'm at them, as radio almost seen it down for cry. For radio to Okoman Radio, let's see and the panier for near. What I say. Okoman from my bank and you can you cry? Must say baby, yeah, only size what.
Ye, so what a children that we can pay me pronounce ya. Now your Okoman radio, and when young, a Kenyan, Sam Kuranyang, you, ain't Eddie Kango, Berman Fum, when I'm so.
All right, 22 after 3. And yes, valid on the 10th day in the month of March 2022. We are blessed because you trust in the Lord and have made the Lord our hope and confidence. We are like a tree planted along the river bank with our root deep into the waters. We fear no heat. Our leaves are always green. And we are not even anxious in a year of drought. And we never stop producing fruits. A very big amen. I wish you have also said some Mensana. Not baby, I will be ano. Me no 2 to 5 because here 5:30. Kaisa here the sports update Gabriel. Yaba so better as near the around town near and I'm town kakra. Yaba modi jeba kasa chira nyampa. Big Afro. Obra kwentio no so ewo Okoman kasa dwumadi no so bete ninka. Sounds na John Pincer. I don't see Nyampa better than Okoman Global Sports. Watch out for exclusives on your radio. And of course, it's all about 97.1, the best radio station in the heart of the capital. Once again, I am Nana Kwame Mpere A.K.A. We better be from the finest. And man, you know, I catch you enemy. And this is how I say I welcome you on board.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Ye, so what a children that we can pay me pronounce ya. Now your Okoman radio, and when young, a Kenyan, Sam Kuranyang, you, ain't Eddie Kango, Berman Fum, when I'm so.
Your baby, why should he? Sabano, your parano, and I do be a good day, the bad parano, bad parano.
Okafimai, one with this year, Abilokos, Captain retired Bakope, Nana Janyam Rebel British year. Okoman Radio, they have come to stay. On my team, Manton when you now was Paula Monte, and so they almost significant for crowd. For radio to Okoman Radio, let's see and the Pania Konya,
Hello everyone, this is Jane Anderson from Today I happen to be at Okoman Akwaaba. The experience here is great, it's wonderful, we have a wonderful customer service here. Their place is very beautiful, the environment is so welcoming, and I will entreat you all to take time out of the schedule. If you have a business, just come around, see the place for yourself. It will call you, it will attract you to come and do your advert and thank you, keep listening to Okoman FM. Okoman FM, you are great.
Assalamu alaikum Akuma Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi, mon fo frère Miliaro, Munti Akuma Radio da.
Abrama Maneka say, Mom's joint Bakope, a man for a coffee room, Okoman Radio. Oh, my champion, Okoman from my bank, and your crowd must say that, yeah. Minimum Bob crowd, there's one any size what.
The Mimi feel who I have to judge yourself. Okoman, you should the power. What's your problem?
Come for meeting the Reverend Benji with Okoman FM 97.1 every Columbus, Ohio, or USA. Okoman, we are too awesome.
Okoman Radio. Your parano, and I do Okoman Radio 97.1. Your parano, so I do not we are blessed.
Assalamu alaikum Akuma Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi, mon fo frère Miliaro, Munti Akuma Radio da.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Okafimai, one with this year, Abilokos, Captain retired Bakope, Nana Janyam Rebel British year. Okoman Radio, they have come to stay. On my team, Manton when you now was Paula Monte, and so they almost significant for crowd. For radio to Okoman Radio, let's see and the Pania Konyeko, at us here.
We mean a cajunone, EJ, so many power, and this our opposite. Il a no feno ke station for Okoman Radio. Le jole awo lumpa. Fine no feno ke station for le jole no la fine.
Your friend me Grace, Okoman Radio. You are the best, number one. Apara mountain, so chedi kan for. Yenshia mo ekebe. Pizza, we are fantastic.
Assalamu alaikum Akuma Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi, mon fo frère Miliaro, Munti Akuma Radio da.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman
Ayame Aledu, I war Parliament Sports. Okoman opposite. Me de fi anopa of my ria and of the fun. Me wales day a ban and that. Jimisre mo amuti Okoman na so yeah, dio bo.
Assalamu alaikum Akuma Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi, mon frère Miliaro, Munti Akumo Radio da Edas.
Sir Dennis Lee, Okoman 97.1. Of French French, I went to the so friend one and check Okoman Radio Bakope.
We are blazing. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. We are blazing.
Okoman from my bank, you can you cry? Must say that, yeah, only size what
your friend Frost, me day in day out to be a radio on that Okoman Radio 97.1. To Miss Remo, we be a funny them to Nimapa, Emamuna.
Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blazing.
Assalamu alaikum Akuma Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi, mon frère Miliaro, Munti Akumo Radio da Edas.
Ya som pipe Okoman Radio.
Abraham Mpere Mom's joint Bakope, Amanfo Ekufuru, Okoman Radio. Oh, my champion, what? Okoman from my bank, and you can you cry? Must say that, yeah. Minimum have rock cry, no poor you are not true. There's some beer materials. Only size what?
Mechanic at the ministry who are a judge yourself. Okoman, you shouldn't not in the power.
We are blazing.
Meja ka say Okoman asopua twumo wi jete ne to bar to bu afapa
so pia bonten so ba wa wo penti emerging na rokoto it's in our day we share what we can and so and you want to menu when no service in na
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Meja ka say Okoman asopua twumo wi jete ne to bar to bu afapa
Okoman Akwaaba. Okoman Radio 97.1.
If you send me some bar, what is send at the same? Now to be beach or some chain. None of you who free New York Bay. And I'm a taste of about to dog and fresh. Every young so free London do feel up and I'm a taste. Oh, also not niche. What kind of girl where she cool and crisp? The girl I want you can wait in a make fix. I'm ready about the girl and she has the sweetness. Open from one frame.
I make a day to go. I'm a war element sports. Mini Okoman Radio. Me wireless today. The piano, yo, and the phone. And Okoman. Somewhere with your Okoman. So yeah, you hope never they say, Damasi.
Oh, baby, I look like a never. Charlie guys, it's your girl Ayona Renee. You're listening to Okoman Radio 97.1.
Okay, I feel my mom with this year, I be locust, captain retired, Nana Jen and Reverend Brother Shea. Okoman Radio, they have come to stay. On my team, Mantam when you now was so Parliament, and so they almost see the gun for crack. For radio, they took Okoman Radio. Let's see, and the Pania Quaniaco. What I say.
I'm already I'm quite so bad. Long man when you know Russian needs.
Okoman Radio.
Your friendly Grace, Okoman Radio, you are the best, number one. A.K.A Mountain, so Chedi can for. Then she are more, A.K.A De Phynest. We are fantastic.
Okoman, take it from you. Okoman, ya dia, Okoman, 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 take it from you. Okoman, you are Okoman.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
A.K.A Mom's joint back up. A man for a kufu. Okoman Radio. Oh, we are champion Mati. Okoman from my bank and you. And your cry must say that we no one broke no poor you and a drew. Just will be a meeting.
Meeting Midingani Abrabo one, President of Okoman Radio, a radio, who do radio to what? Binafo, Ajadin, Abinafo Paso, to the stress of Biafan Radio, and Panto, Okoman 97.1 radio.
Station for Okoman Radio. I can let you let our lumba. Fine, follow no friend of station for let you know I'm not fine.
Okoman Radio, Ibajo, Kiblo, Inole, 97.1. That's why I keep in no need, in no news, Wawe, Ibajo, guess I wear, no fellow.
Blazing. Okoman Radio, yeah, baby. Okoman Radio.
Manane Malikoto What's up? Alright, it's 40 after 3. I was here. Mami Misasa Samuel Wuto he. Charlie asa match supposed to be a copa. Agra going on the 10th. Nyampa China on the 11th. Saturday on the 12th. Na 13th in Swab on the Sunday. Warriors here. Into Urasania. Samre. Match was to be Gania. Esawani and so catch there. Hey. Matthew. Hey. Do you know? Who do you know? Who do you know? Who do you know? Yes, it is what it is on radio. My mama dear and Rama Katika Crani Niga Bakumuni and Sebiwati as here. Ain't some radio, Busha. Mammy phone Ratan Kakrani Niga 1 or 2 be. Warriors here. Okay. Think or left, think or right, think or left, think or right. Every mammy nine. Me nine go. Mammy woman nice apostle. You want to say apostle. Aramamichia aye Chief Inspector Lukman Sulemana. Namichia aye Chief Inspector Alta. Afe Captain Ataja. Say bibi aboko there. Equipping builders in the building. Nami momo di enje fiti abdontin koka aye. Nifan ko lache meche benkum division. Na ye momo di enwura jase. Na ebushia koba no sa no. Meche new job info nyina. New job info nyina meche amo. Eka new job na. Na new job no new job south fo nyina meche amo. Afa samre die. Ko fo dia ba bia wo hye bia. Afidiase ati say. Okura asefo ati say. Samo ho ye de. Na memra adoso tinkon. Asase oko. Afa ya bomodia be piemu e wa pasare. Apasare fo ni adoso fo ni. Na afa ya momodia mra besi tinkon. Tinkon ati say o. Ni emva aye ho kwan na kakra. Ye hwe se betimi achiachia. Daw samfo. Mo amosho kruti asefo nyina ye chiachia mo. Asrema etesen. Se bibia bokode people asefo nyina etesen. Na fe yamra du krom. Na mi chia du krom fo. Na chia du krom dia memra okugwa. Na mi chia okugwa fo nyina dawfo nie ebiru nie ekropon. Afe yabomode akodu manfe. Late junction fo ye ntwamu nyada. Manfe etesen. Na fe yabomode akopi abutachi amono krom. Afe yabomode awura mampo tutu. Afe yawura tutu. Ni akowura obosomase fo ni ahwere ase yawura aburi fo samre mi chechi amu nyina. Kita asefo etesai sam ho ye nimpedua ase. That's right. Station we dia babia ne nam de. Ubomode akopie mo so menya so asrahafo nie, ponlufo nie. Asio jaman akrade. Na mi chechi amu asamre mu wo eye akosombo. Akosomo fo etesai mo ye de. Mo amu wo eye VR ho nyina. Citizen Kofi Aje etesai. Citizen Kwasi Aje. So ho ye de. Okay. Afe ya gbawura odi yenko hohoi fo ni mepe ave mejoje. Ye checha mu nyina ho. Na afe yenko ho aho ai. Eti ya wura dwaso sana samre ma frefro bibiare. Mayama madian fo wura Japan asye na meka Japan construction and general merchant asema eya na nkofo bebre office empty said donzi magia dem de Japan construction and general merchant penny for semen kancha do fo nyina se hwe enne ye besi dan a kakra okuta bia utimi di tu anamo enka ne na besi dan ni giso oboa ho pa yie oboa ho odemu eni esika no pie na kese so ade ade but enya Japan se me mento odofo nyina se edan no ubesi a plan anything na answer na no enso obomodi akota asase wo ye nnencha to so why draw side plan here nyina we wia as abedwafo abomodi akọ no makoyi foundation ye yiwia ye go concrete na fe ya abomodi atwa aba kakra na fe ya feeling no ye yiwia ya to abedu window level ya she concrete wodi obeto aso de ani abomodi a floor so ni ato aso adesa but abusuatie ni nyina eye planning anything na Japan construction and general merchant penny for say ade bia ye dissident bia no ebi wona hwe na tie quarry block 5 inches and 6 inches afi sand block 5 inches and 6 inches hollow block 5 inches and 6 inches afi anyan open wo tipem anasa open wo rhino mu anasa me no ka say normal track ibi na open bi wom anasa me no ka say impo abuhia open wo head pan mu anakotokom ni nyina ye tonto bi sa na bo no so sa ye wo iron rods binding wires ensu a ye de ko site ahodo and ye boy homodin papa Japan construction and general merchant penny for say what your bomarding friend no I was 0244 719814 0244 719814 or sanso we Japan live band enti dwumade bia wudi bia a wo hia live band no oh some friend no I was 0244 719814 Japan ye wodel wo bedel filling station no osebra na woni ni medi sa so na bom sampa wa madansi aye memre mini wa fi Japan ya so ye dia nyampa efiada ye nua ba Magdalene na ye no ehhehye so efiada ya kosi eye joda enti no minim se samre mpanyini anfo mani ankyere baby ba ko asambre ya bo hu dawura ka ho asem de ama afoforo frɛ edi hu adanse eno ani happy entertainment light and sound system for abusua ba sound system ho aye di bo programs ahodo mo programs hu sampa we di mu ebigus happy entertainment light and sound system for ahwe eba lighten canopy nkonwa and tables and chair ni nyina ye wo bi abusua kayo se stage aye gina so di dwumadie bi and so happy entertainment light and sound system will be but also you like pop and restaurant we do ansem and some there fani nyina be dam number ho kama pa wo man fie kwapem wo ban ba bi ever flow for Jesus no from 0275 042594 0275 042594 and 0240 790012 happy entertainment light and sound system also be ma dwumadie no A.K.A Okoman Radio 97.1 HH Asani Anyakunton Efre Frisu na Sam Radio baby awo bi aso so wo benkum ana wo nifa ana so wo adonten so wo jaase baby awo bi an me dinchie mu odin efi eye Okoman ho ebrew mikuta me nsam bere okira ho brase na empani se WW onimu so ana onimo ade no se feso ani akaka iko mi angono mi ngono na Okoman ba ase yedikan enimu amanfo how dada enti issues around our communities priority ba ko ene ye ba enso ya ye adwen se ye besom ye manfo ahobrase so Okoman ba business bia no mo de omo abebo ye omo se sifam da enka ne omo na omo hwie sika kura no ye ne omo di nsa so pe ye hwie sika Into Okoman penny for some men to other phone, some removed dwumadie bi. Say ye empaboa na woton. Marcus collection ye na be niema. Anase me no kasempo restaurant bi. Say wo bar bi. Anase dwumadie bia wo bia wo di bia no. Wo de atwu ben yen. Ensorry nketo ane akese. Papa Glo mi chia ba bia wo bia no. Hwe na niema nya niema. Osofo aje wo ne eye Christ Apostolic Church for mi chia mo. Moma niema ye niema say ya. Na achase bibia ya homkabli wari ase enti eba companies ahodo schools ahodo monso a mo pese mo ye social announcement ye kaibo restaurant ni bars corporate institutions ni hotels ahodo mo momade amfre eyo Okoman radio I was 0266 200222 0266 200222 and 0265 200222 Okoman radio yetie yehwe ene yakasama okwapeman na sanko form gusu ho the comments of LGBTQ plus what crusade shall call for free sleep law to allow people to what perpetrate act of incest among other unlawful then what's it say
Kwame nema we say hwe na itwa so ntem it's a LGBTQ plus one. What do I say? And no, and some no more show you. And if you sorry, I say, young ye, name more choir. That you what because say be nipa one abo. Yeah. Oh, man, because near idea. Come near go idea. Say near and one ever. I said the person for abo so the warren say. Abu no dey pa na ne beka. E dey pa no na nipa so di bi dey bi so wonyu pa o. Nipa ni bi wonyu pa. Wutie me na bi a wo do me na wo yesa LBGG na ne fa che me. But wonyu pa. Enya de pa. Ya bo oba ama oba say oba da bi tie ya bo ade amo awa wo oba. Adenti no no ni nyansa pe mo wo ba no wanware no na be ma no mo eya na omuka unze mo amakwa airport na ne aguruchi no mo kwa aboti efre bibi exit
yes ya wo exit ni wo arrival
unze yen kan no de yen famra from gra
in and out
ya in ni jese wuram which means that untimi fa in no ewuram
na
fa in ya out
wo ko total filling stations ahudo ya ba bia ya in wo ko fa in ho who call out na BBC eyewo wo so bi ahwo wo so bi ahwo na sabe ya ade de eye say ma say yo na mo ade de sa wanya oba na sabe mprediasa bema wo pressure nyina chi wanya yire
Yakopon ni nyansa enti na yes ade na nyese wase
ade obu fukura na oye wi awani agi
uye wi ada oda me de
Omisu me da pa me da
don't see the
so ni yire okazo ye bia ye le kuma ye so that you say etino sabe LBGQCT plus no ayem kwasia se pop yin mani mu
Adam ne yakoma bibia hye ne nsa ototo mo adi nyina yo say manya meseso emo ano
ama urade mane da ho yi ne mfi baako ede boba na ade na nya ade nyame approve ya ko beka se ade na wa ma mbema nko ana ma mbema nko wa mo mbema nko ngo ayi garden of Eden
manyoro
so for kra wa tenka
ande
so for wa tenka so for kra so buttons you kra no answer ni mu ana
kwame naga ate mo ngo
na ma sendore se bu anu anya
yeah wo hayi in the next was it 3 years? Oh, 3. So 2 dada. But about 3. Don't about 6.
That's right.
I'm the 4 na kan ho. Na 10 and I'm
okay. That's right.
What does it? That's mo nyame nyansa mu no. I didn't know my kama. After then is an me.
Hwe ni omo kire. Hwe ni omo kire. Then LGBTQ plus day.
Omo nyimfiso.
Munyifiso. Ausia me koje abu for krata, me koje krata everybody actualize right here. On your champion radio station, Okoman 97.1. I'll be right back.
wadwo enkrofo yɛ timnyamo ni ma me de besi bidan nyina na o ma ka chama me sei
krachi adan wo yɛ hoho wo akuapem ha wonti Ejapa ye construction and general merchant in Ghana eba quarry block 5 inches and answer 6 inches eba sand block 5 inches and answer 6 inches sana hollow block 5 inches and answer 6 inches tie sa wo pe abo ede asidan sa wo pe anya ede asidan sa wo pe nsuo ede akọ side and answer binding wires eba building materials dia wontimi ntwa Ejapa ye construction and general merchant wonta esane se omo enema discount ewo ade bia wo beto bia wo ma so cement kura de enkoho water cement nu and answer miensa kura ye de bekwa koja free delivery ubetimi afra Ejapa ye ewo 0244 719814 0244 719814 eba iron rods abo wo pe anwea ewo rhino mu ana tipa mu eba kwari na wo pe ewo track mu ana se tipa mu a ni nyina ye supply nyina bi open stone ewo kia mu ni nyina ye de bebrew Ejapa ye ewo dew akuapem wo bendel filling station no ubetimi afra mu ewo 0244 719814 0244 719814 kayo sa wo ya party engagement aye anase bi biara wo ye bia wo hia live band Ejapa ye san wo live band na omo be hu nyom amu feel te Ejapa ye live band na wo beti ne de yie abushia wo betimi afre awo 0244 719814 Ejapa ye ana
adansi for ne contractor for adam for
Okoman Akwaaba Okoman Radio 97.1 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Honey, ready my basa power. Chese wede na aka na nsa ped babe. Wo friends ani aduan fo chese MC Kransem basa bi no ka kire. Mama my basa mi hunu amiyem.
Me do kan wa koma to yem. Me Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System. Ni you live pub and restaurant din komo dada. Wedding, funeral, float, anase parties ahodwa. Omo timi hihye dwumadi esronko ma ne ya akono. Eba sound system, lighting, canopy, nkonwa any tables a owo ni josopo wo ho.
Chese, one and that will be a very imagine a fefesa no
one eba stage cradia wabema stage shunku and one Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System. You like pub and restaurants so why a crowd say in yani papa and in sa papa whatever wa at the amount wa man fia kwapem omo ben Everflow from 0245 042 594 and 0540 790012. Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System. And you like pub and restaurant omobema wedding no ayekiko hesa ne anokoma atade was
oh mama meni aje
happy people
ni wisen na de owudi ne sendia ene na ahwere ase twia so adarantu kotokonsha o watu mpampere a wode mo odishi bi hyede ne damri fe ya owo ahene yabo adwei ase na brankrankru makase ba sa yiri fi ade wom die His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Ekufuado Ghana Mampeyin Osaje fa motio for paying a otosho abien ochimenwura Nanado Chumu Adokuya ochihemia osi ade ayokwasi Ekufu a otosho abiesa okupehene Nanefu obuonkatia a otosho abien gwapehemia osabarma opariado a otosho abien ahwase hene okuji aman produa a otosho abien ahwase akuapem krontihene a onokro na ye oforukuma agwa ho osi ahene Okoman Payin otwa asiom osanya ponkamena hene Ohiniba Honorable Amadokuya Esiameadei, Deputy Minister Trade and Industry, Honorable Shelley Ayokobotwe, Minister for Foreign Affairs, International Evangelist, Dr. Lawrence Nanekofitete, Kofabaya, other Worldwide Miracle Outreach Church International, our UK in Ghana, no, Nenokafo, O'Reilly Barbara Tete, Asuna Busia paying Educansing, a Krapim Okoman paying, or Kuji Amantiti Kwame Ukwasuna, Ne Akusika Mrosadi Shibusia, our Ashira Cinemanfi, the Osunia Benedima to among say, or Wahine Yabu John Otosha being a Krapiman Shirasi Krontimia, Onokrunaya, Ashirasi Asuna Hemia, Sanya Osia Hemia wo Oforikume Gwahu, Okoman paying, a Brewa Mature Kasia Kasa Mabu Bedin Sinsemu, or Wahine Yamfisha at your water bako, Afena Kwankoja. Jordan match da etoson song afimpi mienye junu mienu mu no. Empanyen beyen samengwa amane. Brother match da etoson wotwe no. Empanyen de muni beko jasim. Ukuda match da etoson kron no. Asukafo de kotokru begu adabohoma ani akokobomu. De ebue eyina no. Yawda match da etosudu no. Oman benya kwan ne abrewa kwa kodinkra. Fida match da etosudu ba ko no. Nananoma ahemfo ewa pue mantem. Ni asafo madenkra pa beko akogu abrewa ntuem. Memmene da match da etosudu mienu. Osadefo amotuo furipen ochimenwura. Nene wo fase osi ade yokwasi akufu. Ni ahwirase man betenase na abemu mpen ni nananoma mahene aba bema oman demrifa. Mpen be prasoro aprafa makopi mo wiginan. Wodi abrewa beko nsori modesum. Adechi kwasida match da etosudu miensa. Omamu no beyen kai som ada bese yi adomase. Joda match da etosudu nan no. Oman betenase wo okoji amanga himfi. Na watwayi ni so. Ehwo na adofo na jamfo beba bebonsa. Owo ahene yebu adwe. Adanso kuru yebu a osuko ni batani a wode wa sonsiri bukumanojo we. Asina brankurankuru makase ba sayiri fi ade wom. Obia besi a wagina pramoso ato mankata chietuo. Abrewa wadi kan edobo.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1.
That's right. VIP, Police Music Production. We are live.
Okoman Radio.
Come on.
We are blazing. We are blazing.
Anytime, anyhow, you go bow. Obey your better dates, I'll let you know be loud. Never say, I'm with you in your ooh. Or the part of what for me to me, yes, said you do. VIP, Nima boys, yeah, diabo. Until you got your cover here at the show. When you're the papa, and yeah, true. So we're feeling it, boy, come on, here we go. Fast or fall, I really don't think about this. That's the thing about what I'm thinking about. Not telling me to mention, obey you. No, the side I made to obey you. This is where you're the papa,
We are blazing. Okoman Radio.
tinti a me betetia. O de fufu na me de ben confise santa wo we den ya bako. Try to me ma wapo na krum hede ani yedi diagro. Palo go do go gongo. Do re me fa so lati do. Ya ko you know ya sabati se ex do. Yippee ya yo. You ready? Make we go. O come do ko one se man na me do no more. Kru mo ya me ya no more. Me snap say the soup fine for sure. Won't ya see a talent jack make you ball. Come concern it up repene any penny every walk. Who no on am fini fe of a seven say of a habit.
Okoman Radio, yes, baby.
Hey, yo, that tunsa. Show me Kwame
Okoman Radio.
Take you.
We are blazing.
Fantio for a fear kuma, men winning that for an Amakono cross your body in Tinarito Makuma. What girl be what ask for crap, where you waste your son, your dada back. Snapchat back on the white jacket, you'll feel it when my is in I'm shut down. What girl be what ash down, Kwame men your crown. She banty many a pound for pound now, so when in Indian Kobe down. What girl be what crop from many buckets for the quick crim. Be cry Jaguar, be cry ML, smith me taxi driver now we're pressing. What girl be when she so the papa home pen or Rosso.
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Senyan kana kwa madama pemwa to me pano to fu se prema ni awam ko ko idian so me wo bi hye ho chede dia me kwada frɛ ho we are blazing na waye mo bonti me frɛ me flower in the pom komo ah we do kind so anima abi badiza ne me muna tata me ho di ni sika VIP proms hu me na wa muna eh
We are blazing.
Okoman Radio. Why she's gone. She keeps calling me on the phone. I brought for some say, Kwame, you know you're wrong. What up, you were Jamestown, or what bread in and what they say James Brown. Pack me card, no bread in your mouth. The cake can be in and I'm a shell of an can't you so many do be so. Yes, so pass over the visit to take it up to you to a large yola. I show my somebody.
And somebody from his rocket. We are blazing. Okoman Radio.
the BBIF, BBIF, not a but the as a puppet, I'm off from Betty, Sikone, to Muboni, I would tell when it's a mob, but most of that everything is why my source is so big. The super name is super set. Reading at these, we are super pepe, sweet lady in the new casa de dead, fair, boy, when the party palmy, I can bring us super to soapy. I'm a friend of what Jim is so darling, so record pass. Your wish is my comment. Don't get that car. Your wish is my comment. Go home on it. Your wish is my comment. I am up, there's only one. Your wish is my comment.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Your friend me Kwame Mpere A.K.A. Na Okoman Radio ni de bia yeti Okoman Radio we number 1.
Yo, girl bad, they want to say. Me say me can't want say me de young gay. Obama me water, me feel better. I want me yucky me king, I'm me hand sweater. Why wouldn't so pay? Yeah, me number one lover. I been a look at start him say, oh your man was special. Or the into boy say into us here, no name me tina. Oba with yeah, me pressure. Umpe we I jack wow, upe dance or Tim man name me no sweetie. Now I'm a big wiper. We say all your bar VIP just say very important personality. The PPR and your quality. Ampa, obey, or with the beauty. Some more feeling, some more check it, some more dig it. Or draw home at Tiani one I'm a fucker.
Your friend me Kwame Mpere A.K.A. Na Okoman Radio ni de bia yeti Okoman Radio we number 1 nyamsha.
Yo DJ Prekeseni abafo no mfamo radio no ento Okoman Radio na ewa ye de ba.
Okay, after mine, mwa this year Abilokos Captain Retire Bakope. Nana Jenya Rebel Bradishi. Okoman Radio, they have come to stay. Oh my God, man, when now was Kuala Madi, and so they almost see for radio to Okoman Radio. Let's see, and the Pania Konya, what I say. I mean, William Strobodon, your way is so near the court. I am so that you work out from. I then I was all about the same. Winty, Mefru to share with a DM who are bad. Yeah, now Nayako, it's me, not a con your door. Yanua, Miakodo, and can send you who are possible. Yaga, Nudo, Nasema Kuma Muma, Mimosu Bra, no Furabata, or Bibi Sawa, was soon the forward. Okoman Radio, they have come to stay. On my team, man, don't win now. So call out them. That's why they almost significant for radio to Okoman Radio. Let's see, and the Pania Konya,
Midinde upon Sophia, because if you let them see joint back up, a Kufu Road, a Mafia Robo, Okoman Radio, and Rana Yeti, Obianfan Nefidi, and to Okoman Radio 97.1 with us.
Okoman Radio 97.1. When you get the spot, someone love Penawang and New York.
Okuma from Abanga yo Kenya cry must say the money size one
and you feel near Betty up a cancer make your Sasabron Sam Coco I feel near the Yamana Suo I do what I make me feel who I have to get yourself Okuma Yonso Nebawa Miaja Kase Okuma Akwaaba to Mobi the Tobal Tobu Afapa
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Blizzard.
So what a children that where we are paying me for no sia. Now you Okoman Radio and when young a Kenyan say Ukrainian you a lady can send me from when I'm so.
She We are blazing.
But I mean, any try me and my quarantine. Think I also those you miss you.
Okoman Radio.
Miss Rome, Sababu Makumem so.
Him say we near there, and yes, me kawa no mena so me come there. Or best mod na one fair mouth fever. Many bonne super macadamia me bonipa. Manenya mama Adam ya bomb dada. Timete baby din the cost be na menitia. Or you me fin padia fa chisel nene hammer. Ne take a community, no bomb hawa. Nenina no ne nim kosi ni kokika, ne bone chi ne nine. Kosi na basa, or the come home buni mood in Shabema Sason on the morning who buying no man and ninya yada. Or bafa who brassier or the panty as ye money kun den na or my common neneda. As man person me can say and then kokika. We are superstar. Situation here critical. As we are tactical. Man, in say what you should do.
But I mean, any try me and my quarantine. Think I also those you miss you. Miss Rome, Sababu Makumem so.
Abraham and A.K.A. Mom's joint back. I'm out for a full Okoman ready. Oh, we are champion. Okoman from my bank. You can you cry? Must say that. You know, my brother, no boy, you are not true. There's no BMT. Only size what rap that.
Wata de pebisha no ho tete she catching na mapa ko to na sese se wa chobe bi o te ko ba be pipin si fom ko ko cha enya shishi
97.1 when get this for someone love pendo wa enya
enya shisre ko nya boss tro o de joyire me mom ye ma so atwene mi da se tina se afei ba wa mane fiti ase to boase ba we yi ni keche mane ti ase se na da fo keke o tu achi no bia nya da na sekete su bo le ho mane ho se jo botom tie e sha se fiti na me na be tie Okoman Radio de na kaye ta sala ope e ye de na ta she o ke sasma to na pete na be wo o kana ni be se me ye tie na be wo o from radio to Okoman Radio friend boge friend ma ma pode o ye na be she mo abesia se wa ne ne de hwehwe da na koma ye mre ne fa bo ne so se wa se ahini dom
Okoman Radio 97.1
Think I also those you miss you. Miss Rome, Sababu Makumem so. Yeah, man, ya fama wati asiye. Away. Jari ebe kukra my nets and a pumpkin. Inti found on a mommy, I preach you a corner, charming, family, once in me. Piano, be a cut, yes. Obi don't, so what, baby, cause you're good, Mrs. Coco. Obi don't, be tia coma.
Okoman Radio.
I need boss one of my A.K.A.
Kwame, that's it,
Okoman Radio.
But I mean, any try me and my A.K.A. Think I also those you miss you. Miss Rome, Sababu Makumem so.
We are blazing.
Beg me fly, why get me sit, I come me no lie. Oh no, baby girl, don't cry. And I'm on that you take it from me class. You don't never get right, you say how my time.
Okoman Radio.
I say, come quanta who walk on me, say, please, Diane.
It's only 27 after 4. So sorry about that. It's time for us to give you the latest and update in the world of sports. Charlie, Nana Kwame Mpere said you have a terrace. You have a book there, I see. That's really in the
oh, some of the this year.
Oh, okay.
This year,
fine. Now, Saturday, me catch him say me and me chairman run to me. Obebo Modian Koto Chelsea. Musumontia say, Fitia, we are matching direct Cassa, Abra inside way. Matching Mansusa. Me see me wo to me. I will GDA. I will need that was say. One day, Chairman to be better.
Chelsea. I say Chelsea team young Tom.
Yes,
young Tom. You know,
me what GDA such about to be better Chelsea.
Chelsea not you.
Now address no. Address letter now okay, you know. Address no. I'll call UK.
Maybe I Brekum Chelsea and I know I will Chelsea.
That is the latest and update. The world of sports.
Right, Okoman 97.1 and then you so no a good year Munsamba Kumienu Yamfan Tuja. And for my tier for the finest Okopim Adam or Accra Sports Stadium, the nation's Wembley. They say had to folk and I feel so West African Football Academy, Wafa and the Ghana Premier League outstanding game. It's me so now game no corner we and say 2-1 and a Haas and so no etume din kunim na Haas player the Sule Ali Muntari after the game and so no etume akasaye echere na adwen and so the game no one no ochirema match na dey na say easy sa na mo no Sule Ali Muntari so no finance na Sule no o dey atumu na afin so no bibia kama ntino Sule Muntari after the game against Wafa no etume kasa yenti ensema Sule edi tuja
Yeah, we have few players that want to join the league. So yes, I speak with few of them. I think me coming in, not this is not the first time. Bralai came in, Atram came in, and certain big names came in. But I'm really glad that I'm putting impact on this league because these kids deserve it a lot. Of course, they are our future. These kids are our future, and we need to give them the right platform and the right training for them so that we can have a long, beautiful Black Stars. I don't know. Time will tell. We'll see.
And then in some Asuli editu dwa ni na yesa mizani say Black Stars no be ba no chem say ebre na be kire so ba Black Stars on bobare ya yemfi sule akachi ni enkopie mu enso no el had to folk akachi Samuel Boadu enra after the match any di kan no na just say ni no Samuel Boadu etumi ne nsem editu dwa echin say game no na nya easy
kakra me kan say enemy ni sile kasa kai say and unshable yeah because the ball now, or usually the passes in BPR. Even myself, I wasn't expecting to bit me. I lasted so the most of the time. Be a change is better. You need to talk about 80 minutes. You need out to about 79 minutes, right? May say Suli started training for 1 month, right? Now will be out in what if you are if you say or rusty, but there are things in Suli are too aggressive and disciplined. Discipline on the respect on the field of play. The responsibilities be every man unless we making sure say why there. Oh yes. Today's game easy as you can see. Wafa, team anytime they are on the bar. In terms of possession, they want to be ahead of you. But better players, any technical team, as you say, we managed to win this game. It wasn't easy. Their strategy to delay, and I think it's good for them because playing with House of Folk said a different approach, so we delay no frustrating team. I think it's good for them.
Winning summer, coach Samuel Boadu, head coach at my Heart to Folk. And so no, it's ready to draw Ochirima as a wafa game no na easy afin so Ochira na adwin and so the fast Sule Ali Muntari the first goal no so tima share Edema Heart to Folk and also no ultimate na kopie mo Europa on him say and Europa League na betuma to draw yenhwe games and also no eba so ukopie mo Estadio Ramos Sanchez Pejuana Bobo kwa ndide Sevilla 5:45 and so any West Ham United ebo Samsung Nigeria Stadium na Atlanta. And so any buying Leverkusen ball and we Basel 5:45 Camp Nou 8 p.m. Barcelona and so any Galatasaray ebo Rangers and Red Star Belgrade ebo 8 p.m. after so no Sporting Braga and so any Monaco and so ebo 8 p.m. RB Leipzig etnafi Red Bull Arena no so any Sparta Moscow and so no etimi abo and then sama eba Europa League na say na ya UEFA and I say UEFA Conference League and also matches in any Bobo kwa ni din Ede Park Thessaloniki and so 5:45 and again ebo Samsung Partizan Belgrade and a final ebo Vitesse Arnhem and so ni AS Roma ebo Slavia Prague and Lens Links ebo na afin so no Klimt and so ni Bobo kwa ni din Ede AZ Akam ebo Leicester City and a Stade Rennes, Olympique Marseille, and so any FC Barcelona, and so PSV Eindhoven, and a Copenhagen, and so a bit my point finest. Winning summer, a to draw our Europa, but now Chelsea news and about Abramovich, and then also no get to me at the Sobo and Atabo Atonosoa, paying for H. and Yadia no Chelsea team no Casano, Obetuma Ton, Sansuna, and Nino. Eka obetua players and so they yes on chance on yadia obetua the players eka Samson a Chelsea a player na person free man and on yadia and you betuma ma akonya na yaton e dey free Chelsea team no ntene EPL no sanctions no ba no wode ma Roman Abramovich is a so say aya ba na mum no England for and the stretches egu o mama Chelsea special license and omo fan ran no team no ntiano so ne sama efi England eba yede to join another Champions League Real Madrid etna fiache PSG ebo by 3-1 Sansa Manchester City and Sporting Lisbon ebo 0-0 Madrid are qualified PSG are qualified Bayern and Afinson Liverpool omunya qualify ko piemu ewo quarter final stage winning some to draw ewa good emu sama Janson yetumi dia but finest I mean fancy na Afinson no to so na
enti omanya nto Chelsea ni bio
say untumi gaga na ayesem na kuku sana
enti no wo ofu no
nto ma no
no bi Oscar no beto awo ma yento ne enfo ye ba bi nko na ja
the party office crazy or the car rent.
Oh no, catch you. Now say party office in your individual
about news and so no chairman.
Oh, there be now chairman Jesse for Kenya.
And you know chairman I only will not piska na friend to party office neka. Yeah, and me kwe amitia a big afro.
That's right.
Echena exclusive.
Nyamba obeba exclusive. Na me ka ho asem na jump into beba da be echena.
Jump into so echena e was sports no so.
Okay.
Na just echena no fia be de.
Ebe de pa.
Community for Montamu Kuchu. Na so echena no pano. Big afro. Okoman obra kwentu no so.
That's right. Na jump into so about 1 o'clock pepe.
Yes, you know. I don't know some about me madam Nyameche and the governor oba pet cuisine oba biema.
Long time. Me
to catch but me say me kwa me nyabre. But me pebre na mesoma ko na fin so minchia mimi so tema ono so no minchia mimi pa e wo ho no nse me pa
ekenie woka enwumo ngo the last time I would say enwumo we e wo radio so anasa wote so bi mpo bo e wo pap bi anasa joint bi enwumo wote first intro na enie
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio.
Sorry, waho. Hana ubeda. Osofwa te fraka. Crap, baby fa.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Mama so my fire. This time I jump and I never did lose God. Make God so, I bet you when it's so, me boss.
Okoman Radio.
Your friend me A.K.A Kwame Mpere A.K.A na wo na Okoman Radio de bia yeti Okoman Radio na
for my shaking keep life don't pay people money pay baby I make bia e twa me crusade na me boy afedi me ye kenken to content me hwe me bia me teach my head me so my body so obi na mumpia ya me de ma me fa ne kwa mentia obi be se jama rap ye de abo me dia Christopher time echi upa ye to chia ala kwa ba nkramofo di chiwia me krata meju jedua ye shine anajo anopani awia mesene ayemu metete yoyo ade wankasa o maami anka nchrew so oni opani kasa aka me pa chew enye wa wono fanta hotel abofra ketwa wa mi so akwan na chew atleta kwan tiko o beje twe ho afi na mabedu etie french ni besia mi hu trap bien
Okoman Radio.
Me adley di me war parliament Okoman opposite me de anopa Okoman and the fan no wireless de fa ne da nsire mo amuti Okoman na yeah you ho ne body them pa da mase
now he back still blitzing the A still laid back still battling fake cash still spitting lyrics transmitting through his dreadlocks or brought for type of rap at the battle for mics way before God created man breathing in life way before the whites before the invention of mics way before tree rappers for this shit like spit hardcore besides stress of brought force spit metaphors of
Secretary, Ultra Christian, Okoman Radio, Mamba, Montrance, Monuyo, Ophionishi, Okoman Radio, Papa.
My mind flow through your arteries, travel at top speed, like face to face, cross now. Born you by mistake, bizarre rap four bound to collaborate. Rap heavyweights, rivers and lakes evaporate, cause the entire Aqua City to evacuate. Baby, like a match a day when I step up in the place, know your packs and red names. I'm the reason why English rappers switch to vernacular, bugging like Dracula, juggling your cardiovascular. Flow with the resistance of 120 ohms, crack through your bones, take your XY chromosomes. When the year 2001, 2004, bizarre rap four, yeah, this splatter you all.
Catch a one son of what I say, but inside there, all you by mistake, when I went, I didn't want it. Catch one son of what I say, what in the inside ship, what in the by mistake, when I went, I have my finna, I be do. So, Jewa Cranty, now what him, oh, yeah, some do not want to imagine. What more cotton, when you're not sure, so
shedia ni ma japadia kata hare boko di ho dance maba mo jasun sum ne redie bra ti twa made so for me so me nya kese me asem chen aso atwede eye ko fi ko wu esameti paye ma se die pa ko mi tia me to ko so jaba me so me re so tro microphone da me pu pe ya de fofo why na be ma me ho apopo tipa samai ana otofo just na ne nya me to ma no bia me yo so for praise God hallelujah amen esunyansa ene so again akai macho beto akode afi enye de ya no nyina na be apada na de okoto ani ye waba e happy na teche man you nya if you rent to a promo be ati ase brafo menu me share to prevent you go down go and how patch it tam kuchu born you by mistake we are say aponche ben na wiki mine piaka driver na ni mate agrono yapon na mayele
Munia, Setetia, Otra Tuition, Okuma Radio, Mamba, Montrasi, Monio, Okuma Radio, Papa.
Okay, up in mind, for this year, I'll be capital retired. Nana Jen and Bebe Rubbish. Okuma Radio, they have come to stay. On my team, my dumb when now was so that's where they almost significant for crack. For radio to Okoman Radio. Netsie and the panier coniaco. What I say? Okay, up in mind. This year I'll be local. Captain retired. Nana Jen and Bebe Okoman Radio. They have come to stay. On my team, my now was that's where they almost significant for crack. For radio to Okoman Radio. Netsie and the panier coniaco. What I
say? Oh, mommy and country. Kwame Mpere A.K.A. Hey, shout outs going out to you, A.K.A. Head of sports, Bibi Abakode. Yes, way back batching from a bar for Ghana rap software. I'll say one day will be this software. Once again, going out to the entire listeners, I'm Wabonti Amuti large. Nato volume, what? Be able to for mommy. And Germany, or come out court, but right about time it is. It's exactly 42 after 4. Me mama di anjia na otudo ampa. We ye okugwa eye chidom hene. Most na ye CEO at the country cons. At to say oh hene. Won kwaso. One eye Mrs. Into all the way from Canada Waba town. It's an ye kesi da ye dim no. Nana Sari Brempon Nyampa next month. Yina yejira mu pa ewo okugwa. Mami nchi abusuafo nyina. Sam Radio judge yourself. Say Bibi Abakode me say Sam Radio no. With the glue na so ne bare. Afi mi momo de yentwa mu nko. Mi no chuwa. Ete say Bibi Abakode. Auntie Joyce for Royal Junction, Bibi Abakode. Was Wabodia the glue. Perseverance, and it says Bibi Abakode. Also the glue was so station in Musa. Eja Kwame Taylor. Also na wono we bruta pa. But I say Eja Kwame Taylor. Na me momo de ncha ACP new. Ene Ghana obi biara wo check jumadi. E feel jumadi shonko. Obi biara Sam do supporting you mapa. Baby I will be a michechi out due to or baby I will. What they are there? All right, 43 after 4. I'm saying the nyom kakra me de eye Okoman Akwaaba be bro see here.
Okay, I feel mine. One would share Abilocos, Captain Retire, Marco, Nana Jen and Rebel Brother Shea. Okoman Radio, they have come to stay. On my team, Mantam when you now was so Mantam, as we they almost sing for crack. For radio to Okoman Radio, let's see and the Pania Quaniapo. What I say.
We are blessed. Okoman Radio 97.1. FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Assalamu alaikum Okoman Radio. Medina Salisi Abdullahi. Mon frère Miliaro. Monti Okoman Radio da Nedasi.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Me Adelaide me war Parliament Sports. Me Okoman Radio nhwenim. Me wireless de bia no pro yo and the phone Okoman. Ti misremu amuti Okoman na so bia ji ho me body sem pack damase.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Oh, she show him. Maminchia ejadu wahim brom. Ejadu wahim brom. Home and away bar. At a say, Namim say nyampa. On the 1st of April, so be ye a wawo brother. Yaw down so carpenter. Enti ejadu. What the Asania no tea party? Yadu Hokra da. On the 1st of April. Yaw down so. A carpenter. Ewa Impoti family house. Ewa Himbrumwa. Now we can wait here. Yenu Magdalene so dear no. Now who said Mebrenia Bresa Crodom. Now Obama see Monteso now Hassania. Koja dear him will be more. Let's just say Nibri Abapa. Once again, my min church Matthew for any other phone Muti Okoman 97.1 radio. You're from in Kwame Mpere A.K.A from the finest. And Mama Yina catch you name radio and sword Damroso. Afe Sam Radio Michia Aya Chief Inspector Lukman. Afe Aya Chief Inspector Arta. Also rank Canadian Mente Sokra. And one of the Mamunina Munyumutu. Never Michia Aya Madam Ruff. And Madam Eunice Munina. More Ekopon police station. Say Bibi Aboko there. Afe Mamichia Aya Chief Inspector Pon. Say Bibi Aboko there, Mr. Pon. Mawario a coro, ma like coro. Sabi be aboko de coro. It's the maze. Mawari maze. Ebu uncle bo. Once again, my Michio, Yafo Aya Francis Edu Nyako, Menoka said the Ubutu Aya Allah Hotel. Na Yaniama, Marias here. Namicha Safari Fogina Jackie Joe, Sabi Aboko there, one man shorty, I was Safari. Ajuma Fogina more Safari, Sap Mohoya dear. Monhe na monko so anto volume mo basses in him. Ebo angrebo bobo angrebo ara ade ama 53 after 4.
Uncle enye mo tryan na friend me hey isiata aso eneze be shama a friend me there on him ma just the one or
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio.
Nana Jua Ekropon. Debi Amitie Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okuji on mine. Okoman Radio. Ejim Ekwapi mine. Debi Etie 97.1. Okoman.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Okoman Radio for Madam Asepa, me match na make say me saka ma akoko. Me aduma den na me omodin anobo Okoman Radio me saka ma akoko. Okoman Radio baba mo pia mangamba. Okoman Radio ya damase. sɛ wote twetwerɛ dɛ wɔkuapɛ mepɔ no so ya na yɛ Okoman radio ɛwonyan ɛkenyan sɛ nkoronyan yiw ɛyi na ɛdi ka ho bɛrima mfum menam sɛ
Okoman Radio 97.1.
My pick up on your day to keep up. Can't follow me never sell it. 7 days, the one Sule, Yamagati Aku, Kabele, Chaskele, Kofile, Zep, Kabele, Abeleko Toku, Omifu, on your tele, Populama, sex machine, Abeletronic. I be too much, I be senior, Asaniole. I can't tell my fans one Sunday. I'm sparkling to Tom Rami, can you chile? Party the good time, guarantee Jamale, or point, Nakano, Smoboka Chake, Mother put the ginger and trouble the Kakajofa, Obusa, the Kobasha, Obabu Sune, Mankota Mankono, pure anti Alumi, oh my Miss Lebone Chombo Dade, and yeah, I blamo Kobi, and my Michula Nehem and Green Kakobi, my Padi Kacham, the Duan Kakamotobi, I who a police, Kacham, make it sabi, Taffy Pierre, and how old they poo, you for your wobina against Ufu, Kajanaka, she's open to Kakachufa, and Yellow Lakamok, I will buy you a car, fridge me back and house of Bonadeka, never first I tell me, Mr. Bright, Sinica Cola J, black and white, Alewa, black and white, get back to.
Okoman from our bank and you can grab my baby. Only size
Okoman Radio 97.1. When gets the sport so many love Peno and your name.
Hey, your chain sauce or your chain sauce or chain. What do me travel farm one day? I'm on my scene. She will pack a rico now, baby. What do you mean? I do need me. You wouldn't pass what you demand of holy every day. And to me, I'm in something day. You have to check out and do it. I do ole, Yamama Code, Antony Musicawano, and yet Antony Danta, yeah, you want it, or Papa. So then, when I know Nabo, Atwa, Nobu, Netia, and the Posa, Panta, who talk you say to Sanapuna Buta, maybe, Yaso, we need to don't bring out the Sheva. And I go man will say, worry about that. I'll be simple with a me, Pupu, Puni B, Siana Paul, Yetikali, Pusu this is what, no Pusu this is what.
Midingani Abrabo 1, side driver back, Okoman Radio, a radio, Udu, Radio Tua, Benyaso, Ached and Abenyaton Faso, Timistreto Biafan Radio, Japanto, Okoman 97.1 Radio.
You Okoman de Obai, Obaquajo of Man, Unti Okoman, no water, Emma Yamobun, and your man Minina, Okoji man, Okoman FM, at the Mubao.
Me free one airplane. When you want to know, and I saw me, brand don't go up 110. Or the bit Mokoma portrait with free saying, what brand the king being and then I fed the asrain. What I near confirm before one day. We be I said the air, we be in cold. If you won't let go, I put the bomb, no chili so the bomb. I was your carry, boom, boom. Nobody time no do, to my full bundle. Say, let me go up, put your banana, shoe shampoo, pop, if it gave you, pop, shoe shampoo.
Na uba modia kopie mu wa edukroma Pentecost asori dan achi boy bia wo de obehu asa wo ko pramano so no baby omu ye wo Pentecost sorry dan achi no joint bi hye ho amo akware joint bi hye ho na joint no be ko no mabiemu pa na no metwa mu na bogas bi wo so na wunchia ye kra so ya na wo fa ko fie that's right chakra ye no wa ya na wo fa ko fie that's right oh there be o man ken no but mami chia empanifu egu o nyina samre omu tie pa driver ba ko bi na no me no de ne rounds bi o yisu ka ketwa bi enwume ko ba be family back min dina mi we fi dina fi guy pa anyway abushia is exactly 1 after 5 now once again we are where my catch us say Jedu brother who yaw down so carpenter
sawa papa na
yes
sawa papa
nyampa 1st of April no
ye wa ye ko
Jedu de ye nyina ye Jedu
so ochina se
Magdalene chasi ye ko
ofanim nya akonde no
ne de ye da be ne de no so ye
china ko si Sunday
wow
me no ka se ne bana nam no so am hu no osofo ya wajekum waiting for Christ him say oni asore man nyina aba okay ma say me sore so a ko chia o
right enya problem Priscilla ne ba
Priscilla papa
okay Mr. Nim okay right
na kuchi to me nyina shedin
right
ana minimum anti ya mami out anti Joyce
no what Royal Junction
minimum say papa fiadu krom da
asa
o skani kwa metieku ne ba no ya mama Joyce shedin pa
shedin mama Joyce onkra no bia nso ya so te
am sure okori so on shedin okori shedin we say atokori so on munim kori no nya sa no te and yesire nyame Ejira anopai Rose anopai Yuraki bi kan sembi na sasa no ewo ax ebra na Paul no mu edim papa mu no o se na safu no nyina hia no mu sunye eriko na Paul no onwu yo no mu dim papa mu keke ya na wo fi wono
wo se obi fi wo ameka time me wo ye wo school no wo se do baby ye wie SHS na obi a koni fie no wadamfo yi pa me ka me me damfo bi we be di 1 week we ho na we akodi 1 week we ho because Charlie na difficult pa say mu be papa isa
me mate am no ebi mu bi SS na me si na me hu ebi mu bi oda
yes yeah last time ba ko bia no kan o metini ne nkan ye so de ka konya se de wo Legon because na on I used to the Legon by then
antitimu die ya na inu abema okore nyame ncheche ne
on shade
ne maame sister maame so ne sister namfo no nyina
okay
kai say minim most of the ladies is say na me ye good news club adwuma no
okay
child evangelism adwuma no schools ni mu no most of the ladies no say omanyi no mba me club no mba tie club on the minim bebre
right it is amrizo ya ma okapema nyina shade okapema nyina ne ma ne shade eja du ni ha kra
say bebe
eja du ni ha me ni abrantie kra betimi abegina ho
ye de ne ma mienu ida so kwa kwa bonso ana so kwa sasa hunu
that's it
eso kwa ye na unya eso body ma busha panya asa hunu
na me momo de enchia sam uboga ne friends
boga
Oboga ya samre Oboga mi pese mebo ni din no na na sare duasa
hine
boga 24 for hine boga no
and everything so am sorry
24th ono so 24th ko na eyi no empanyin amenya nte ese nche bia no omo de eye kai bon be ba ha omo de be ba na ya yesu de me mase ne da fa
anya wa ase wa bread man mo ewi abe mo ase
enti ye de be ba
amo
ba that's right
amo na sani aye no na abrabo se kenko high school for the blind car no na ye fa go ja
ye nyina ye mfo
ye fa go ja no
ye fa go ja mo ewo baby oko enti oko
se obe kraye ne
okay enti weekend wo ide e go see next week no Alright, we see brother say see Eddie Okoman Akwaaba bro. Mami chia mi mami Edina Somoa. Auntie Edina do na fra wedu komo taxi rank na yenchia obi bia. Aye.
Me say pa kwasi. Oma yente nenka.
No koi.
Okwa vetin. Me si na yente kwasi nka e.
Ba me ne kwasi aka said na me ne nka said.
Oh. Me si kwasi kwa vetin ti akoya odi ni bi oma yente ne hu ba bia de aroko no be fa.
Me ne kwasi aka said na me ne nka said. Ya me tutu me me phone so.
Mo hwe phone
ne kwasi aka said dia. Because as me ne kwasi aka said no.
Yempe 8 o'clock asem bia ti say bebo 8 na kwasi hu kwa mafie.
Oh, me ne kwasi aka said ne.
Ana me say.
Me ne kwasi kasa around 131.
130 dey say twom. Ya come no num ne fa say 130.
O kwasi is safe. Say me no.
Yeah.
Da me catch you say there is always two things. So who call competition more? It's either you win or you lose. And being a fresher, I accept it. Say in a game, no.
Obi o kan obi where nyano na yemfa na ho nche na da. Allah wa ko bar Muhammad Rasulullah.
Oh, say we there okumbi
eni. Wo dokuna da na yekodi here. Edigu ne ma so.
Modigu ne ma so.
I tell you. Masa na esi adasa. Ya na yo.
Madrid ground code okro so ye. Say si na de Madrid akoso. Okay. All the say si ade si. Enti wa betwu ti wo betu ti te. Let's see no chomza. Ja na asema esi obi wa wani abre. Wo ho atamre.
That's right. Ichiano, okay, coordinating director and workers ni nyina checho mu nyina Marcus Omente nka na yaba na chi bia kwa bia checho mu nyina. Anya bone Kwame me nyame adom. Nyame atom nsem me ye madwuma. Bese break akra ni. Kwame meda mesuda ye bia na pete. So na no bro for your voucher no. No kutu madwuma so nya ba ko. Me hu sa aboa no Kwame. Sa bosome no madwuma nkoso da. Madwuma nkoso. Ena madam fu bi ma adwene se we nya hwe. So da no a me de me sori a me mompai. Na me hwe ne nya me baye. Kwame we mu ho na me nua baye. Wo bae. Me nua ba no pa o. Okumi mami na me say me makuma me say dem de mpai na me bo me suda na me hu niam bia na me de akompai bo me ka hwe ana baka cha me say ye krum fo ne say madiewu maku eye ono ne maame na ne ba ate ne maame nchen ti o enyo maame na ka so we ne ba ate ono ne maame nchen na wakam
ka so ono ne maame asa wo de enyo maame
wakam me ka so wakam je say wa ba be wu no yes was sorry 5:30 sa no mo kan no ka che we ba ne se me ma bonu tio
wo da emu
oso da na me ma bonu tio kwa me yes e bonu nsia na we ma me ewu wo mo se mbe na ma bo ma me ni tio na se me na meku no na se meku ni sen opete ya tunu tio ni pe wu
David.
Ye tu pete tio ni pe wu
ni na kura wa bedane no
okay
enyo na wo se wo so daye na wo be so daye bia na wo hu pete wo daye enti da ba ko de wo daye ni mu no hu pete no wo bo ni tio sana wo kan ye ti afi ada na
me ka cha no na waka no ni me ka cha ona no na ka no
wo de ye waka se wi ama me ka se
na me ka se wi na ka me to aso
me da say man ono so kasa na ono so
enti papa sani ameka no sa papa pepe na me bra yi e kan ye enti sa daye no osun ye no na che se da osun sa daye na ono no pa che se obo pete ni tio no sa dana onu akasa ne mami o mi wo frame we no den na pese o
sa dana na mami wu ye
eti wunia be mai ono na suspect say
me suspect no because me mami say me mami e ba be free mu no me ba oda me mami nchen e ka say oni pass me si o timi nse nifa so yi
your brother
ekunu
me na me ku no
but also hu mami ne ye
me hu ne ye
but sana ye say o be wu no kai
so wunim ni awa ye
ba no na be ka kire mpanyifo ofi wo say o say me ana ma bo ni tu
enti mami bi sa anya bia wo be so che so mami ye be fo
mumisa no
me ka sa e pete na me hu wo me daim na me kai na say ye motio na ma botio na pete na wu Se Peter would be a Peter Yenipa, but you mean, my lord, no question, Mr.
But
you Peter Osha squat at the airplane.
I know they mean to me spiritual realm, no meaning will be.
Spiritual realm as a but you if I only Peter in a choir. There be Peter, no business man, we are lawyer, you only Peter in a call.
There be a number, baby.
The person a Peter by my dream.
Yo, 055416677755. 0551667755 and at 0270191971. As I said, the boy, extra, also there be a new huni mami. No who pete, Fachemi. No who pete. Now, I pete ni tano. That could be also die no to pete ni tuo. What to pete ni tuo, I would die mu. Deo timi tu pete ni tuo no. That day na penny esene mami ewu.
Me sister ne mami.
Na afa onyo mami on.
Ne mami nso ewu. Sesi ya no ne sister kira. Ene the boy na de ne sister akofa baby. Ade ne mami akofa baby no waku no. Esa ne se obewu no ka say the boy atu ni tuo. Wo se watu ni tuo. Wo se watu ni tuo ene ode wu ye. Eja bushia asem mu na mu tie wa bonten.
Na afa baby. Mami to ye
mu na mu tie wa bonten. Hwan na ka no kro wa ha. Sabio ohia mami with the boy ni mubi ana say oni mubi ana samre mami no so no wadwen asema wati ni nyina no wadwen wo ho ete say all right 0551667755 and 0270191971 0270191971 and 0551667755 ubetimi afre na wo de wadwen share edi aba ofrefo edika wa homa no so. Oh, too bad. Okay. 0551667755 and 0270191971. Ofra metimi eno wakasa kama. Okay. Ofrefo bi aba homa so bacho di shebe ni.
Bacho Johannes Kitchen opposite Ibrahim.
Oh, na bibi aboko there.
Nyame adom.
Okoma ni.
Okwapma no.
Ode chiche wadwe wasemi o.
Oh, we je the boy odibim esan say what to die no hu obi anima e bia na enyo no won fan koma spiritual father.
Yo,
I know when you mean me so die hu the boy anima
me da say 0554667755 na 0270191971
on one so die no not two die
odi chebe ni
me so die no hu no
me pa cho wan na me na ka say Naomi Kasafi Ebru boko de Naomi.
Mpachai.
Me pacho kuma eni.
Okay. Wait, the Bama no so ne line mu. Oya ye mistake. If you also line mu ye pa, oya ye mistake kefe pa me da se.
Okay.
One ye mistake.
Also ye mistake na. So what so da no hu ma me wo mu anu che say what so da no.
Then as I say our person.
All right. Me pacho audition be ni.
Salonio.
Oh, na monochrome to say.
Nyame adum bibia boko.
Me bacho nyame gusu shaye. Okoma eni.
Okuapama no.
Me bacho che wadwe wasemi o.
Oh, ene de boy why ade. If say me kwa me so dai na me hu bibia me sore bompai. Eni so wa so dai no hu opeta. Se me sore bompai yo. Na se ni me ni mo pete ku. Nti wa bompai na we bibia. Nti we sambo ba ko kan.
Yo, Mati. Eti Samre. Mami chia Dr. Opoku Benson. Me chia baby I will be a doctor. Pacho Obiwa, hello.
Yes sir.
Me pacho wan am ne ka say.
Mama enim ni o architect ba ko.
Oh, na bibia boko de menua.
Ya mo, de bia uchi an so me do uchi me.
Me chia eya na wa check se me your company ni di na me chia na wa be advert so na FFF.
US sponsor ba.
Okay, all right. Okuma ni.
Okuapama no.
Ode chiche wadwe wasemi o.
Oh, na de mi dina bere man ati. Onye boni bia e. Eye dai na waso. Ana welcome opete no welcome no dai ni. Nti welcome opete no dai na se aba physical dia. Na that means ne ma me na ye. Nti no me ne ya adwene.
Ubenya chepa.
0554166775 and 0270191971 0554166775 hey asemo eja kwam Taylor
nano ye ni
nano ye papa bi da bibia boko de
me pa show you yes so no mokasa.
Mama ne nkasa. Sister Joyce na bibia boko de.
Nyame adom bibia boko.
Oh, Okoman ni Sister Joyce.
Oklapma no.
Nyame koso anya okese esa nya oye ma bia ye ni sopa Sister Joyce.
Amen. Amen.
All right.
The boy asam na okan. O say also die no. Na we hu opete ana mpa say yes
sa ohun opete ni sa.
Opete de ugo na. If I were to lose me bonu to pay to win ma de kode. Nti na say ade se na we oni pe wi a. En kire say ono na abone ma me bai. Nti bia na me pa to say na ni sister ajune kire no enye sa. And the boy and say ajine kire.
Yo.
Na denti na afa wu mfra o ma me o ma me.
Just me that say.
My sister grab you na no I mean I suspect.
Oh yo.
I so person chese o wa kasa o ma me.
Na chese what the boy there for the sister Joyce say can the boy asem o can say. A coincidence. Who opete and wa ba pete ni tuo. Obo dey otimi bo pete ni tuo na ne ma me so wu ye. Odi chebe ni
Owusu ni kaseti latte.
Latte boko di owusu.
Latte boko.
Into you kete.
Le balo, no sir.
Nyame bosu ne hire ne ka wa adwebu ese moyo.
So fruit da no hu opete wo dia. Na say oye ni papa paw. Enti no opete ye so nya papa. Enti so obonu tu a. Odi so obonu tu. Opete no nya papa. Enti no
yo.
Yo, my say.
Ono na se si ano. O say a coincidence. Okay, fine. Then tina afa o ma me kra on person
right. Me ba cho wan na me ka say. Oh, na go for the trump to say.
True.
Aye bobo yo.
True.
Na ya Johnson na adwuma mboko de aye bobo.
Oh, podi bia ni ho ya kusoka kaka.
Let us say Okoman ni e.
Efiepe.
Me ba choche wadwe wasemi o.
Yo. Ba cho se ko fonda kwa pete bia ni ho bio. Pete o ko fonda obubo kisinya wuko. Eti se wa ko sida lo wa nya bi na otunu tu a. Nuko aso alo. Eti da boy wa ya bi pa mabola baso.
Yo. Aye baba. Yo. I baba me da say Maminchia Chief Inspector Lukman the boy Abrante Ejumason wa papa yi bo hwe a prosecutor na nyamishira ne pa na edwuma obo Chief Inspector Lukman me pa cho hwana me ne ka say
me pa cho yi na no yankasa
papa bi na no yo Okoman ni
o kwa pama no
o de cheche wadwo wasemi o
me pa cho obi timi ho wansan. No boni tuepe no adan ni say welcome me. Enu sie. Enti the boy asem no kan de. Emfa kwam.
Mate me da say enti wo de na say na no ye no nya adwen. Sister Joyce na no ye adwen. Na no ye de also no nya adwen. Enti 0554166775.
Me nkwa adwuma anya says less than 1,000. Pete ni wuya.
Dabio any why ni na kache amanfo ni etiefu etie se. Any opeso chese o ma me ye beifo.
Dabio na me me to pete.
Se sa na tie dia because wo da ye. Wo pete wo nwuma mu a. Na da wutimi gina wo nan so bompa ye tutuo. Ewo honhom wiase no. Wo bompa ye no. That day ade chi ye per 6 o'clock ni so ma me awu. Ana ma me so bewu no. Wo sister kira ne ba ne ka se
o se me ma bonity me di toko ni dem
me ba cho di chebe ni
na no Kwame Mpere A.K.A.
Eja Kwame Taylor sina janse boko de
sina janse boko
Okoman ni
Akwaaba ya no
Eja Kwame Taylor ba mo ni ache wadwe wasemi o
medical ma me na wase am say da bia mu betransa say mu chiachia wati for bi eja o chiachia na bia so Eja Kwame Taylor so nyame nhira nyame ma wa hoden na yankomo no so amintu nka ho
meba ho by next week they say you ready mami
Oh, I already did.
Okay, yo, me da sipa. All right. Chawaju was
Oh, Nedia, madam for the boy, what did you? Nedia, what dear Sampa? I do it there, or Yan for. Oh, there's a pet in your bonnet, one bonnet pet you. Yanni, Nanny, Uncle Sin. No, yeah, you know, you saw Nanny.
Yo, me da say, Eja Kwame Taylor. Na uma me no so nye pete. I mean, what's some no me from asem no sani awusifa ka no. Ene sani awu kire ne memu no. Na so uma mi ya na o ya che so ye ba fu yi. Ana na wo mi wa no.
My lord.
Anya me na me ka from what you said.
Yes.
Me dey to paper.
What? Saying what?
I was so die bia.
I saw vulture in my dream. I didn't see my mother.
And I da utimi gina wo nan so a wo bom pa ye two pete ni tuo wo. Eye die anim no. That day ade a chi pepepe and our maame yes wawu.
And I say me na me ko.
And e kosi sa no so no. Eye wo sister bought in nchen say oba bewu no. O ka say the boy akumi.
Ne ba no kro nyina ye.
The boy akumi.
Ne ba no kro nyina ye.
Enti eye u be kwa ase.
Emu ni aye no.
Wo maame eye.
Pete ye.
Why ni pete no?
Se me de man ku.
Me say say sia wo de ye fa pete ni to ncha wo maame ewu wo be kwa eye na se.
Se
ananya wo ba. E wo nya ne ba.
E wen.
Wo maame na da fa me.
Okay. My sister, ojina me ye bibia e be ko. Ona e panyi. Ojina ye bibia.
Why?
Yeah.
All right, Abushia. Move it to me on my course and about still 0551667755. The boy has some more can is also died, but yeah, that pure basu died. No pity, dear him on a human. There, Timijina and I so bomb pie. At 2 pete ni tuo a year empire bomuno. Adia chi pe, yes, any mammy went to no suspect is any mammy. A bay for. Yes, I know.
We are liar to as a monument.
And I said, ye,
I may say we are lawyer.
Mr. Quay, and so uncle.
I hear you, so you said you do a man.
Okay. My before you are, maybe one of the name say. So many about Cordia Sheriff. Me pacho kuma ni. Ade chacha waju asemi Sheriff.
Mi kumo pete ate enye mi mami na mi kuno enze mi kumo pete na mi dina ti tate mi na mi kumo mi eni de mi mami ye befo
enti wo dia wo suspect said wo the boy ya adwe say eni mami na e befo no e pete no ha no no
mi mami nye befo no ye pete no se wo dia mi mami be ye
na che so person che say wo dia pete na wo hu ni nyina ye o mami
oh so na wawu for now
yo ade che be ni
What is your Bobra?
Bobra now Kasafi.
Me Kasafi Akosomo.
Akosomo Boko, dear Bobra.
Boko Santa for
me that severe phone in a chomo, mammy. Why?
Omina,
me pacha waju was him.
Now say my son Diana, who pity what me die, we said debut or time. Nanya mea dome. Number to me, and Yamia mammy, you number 2 petty ni you. Na petty ne una diachi, a semi mammy, una mammy to make a say. Me na me kuno dia di fune da hono kwa mesia kubium e fune da hono mesia tunutu ama nawu because say here minua no e kire me say me ma me ye pete dia en ye pete yi nso dia me nko pete yi
Matibeda se wo ko pete yi wa Akosomo ampa
me nko pete yi
Akosomo ni no ya de
Matibeda se 0554667755 things are getting serious.
Things are getting better.
0270.
Things are getting better.
Yo, me ba jo wan am ne ka say.
Ba je fe no Joseph fi so manya jitu.
So manya boko de.
Akra ni.
Joseph ba jo bo money a che wa dwe wa se mi o.
Me sister na south go no. Oye suspect.
Suspect madam. Suspect madam.
Phone number test me.
Me pa che me ma me na me wo die ni no. Me sister ni mu bibi.
Minimum be saying.
Yo.
Aya sister no fa ni momo number
test. Kasa manin kasa. What's it who be sister na sem otie?
Me see, me soup pete to wo die mo a. Na say me ma me wa abeti na sila. Who defend me mama?
Right, Mate.
Yo. Me be yano.
You know no online so.
HSA. Me mami. Ewu ye no echire ansa papa yi e ka ne dai a waso a kire me. Oti na me ka. Enti na mami na dikan aka se ne ba ne na eku no. Enu na che ansa na ono ne ka se osun dai na ohun pete e na obo ni tuo. Enti se sa asem we esi a wo ye me a dan na obeka. Metumi kura ka se ono na ode mami semre ode na akwaji bibi. Ena waye ne wadane na boa woni da yem na wekunu na
me ye wo
sanya wo wadane waye wo
me ye wo aka me suspect wo me ye wo I suspect you
yo me da se wa so menya ma me fa for wa homa so 0551 667755 0551 6677 asemo right me ba jo one am ne ka say
ba jo bo bra ma se ababa bi
me ba jo che wadwo wa se wi bro bra.
But sister no call your suspect. Bisane say, me brother no o wotu woni dem ana.
What was that me you? You see me
only mu ana. Ade no ye huhu ade. Ono o so otumi sister no call otumi so daye na appointed ta no. Ono so e de
also that also that also when bread me Putin na mo ye prime di be die
me bra no ono so da ye okun aboa ni wie na adwuma akoso eti me sister ti hoi na nka wakwa ware na awo ma na oso da ye no wo hu se be ma bi gina ho na otam tio to be ma ni tio na ade be tina ne papa ewu a obeka to no okun ni papa na ni kura be jimpo so be fiekun me si opete kayeria enka me bra no nkopa pete no sanre on winning muso
and ka me invite
yo me da say mami nchia eye officer labi ufu name ye Samo operate labi me no ka say de wo so menya se bibia bokore na mi nchia eye part e wo tycoon me pato wan na me ne ka say
hello
me pato wan you
but papa kubenye
oh papa bi my full papa na bibia bokore
Dami Adam
na mi chia governor so
but on a
all right general somebody what about line you see the Okoman ni
okay apmayano
me pato che wadwe wasemi o
na the boy asem ye dey sin nfi atiagu from ha nyina say the boy edi mfudi so to ato na asem ye dey
yo what oh my father that say
Nebuchadnezzar me na me ba say bread man put in grate won bread man put in grate won and the man asem
055 055166775 me ba cha one am ne ka say
but Vic
oh obaba bibia boko de
Dami Adimo
ohima Vic Samre Okoman ni
okay apmayano
me ba choche wadwe wasemi o
say sister no do ne ma me too much ni nya be ma na asem no kan on tin jinji aya Bible can say my ma obey ko nothing into so tini dan no pete e woni ba na ye mu de bi obeso sa dan no ade be ti bia na dwuma ye nyina nkoso na so wetumi abom fa e pete na ma na dwuma ye yi a enye ni nya ba ne de eso se papa no suspect sister ne ba no because obi eni wo ye be fo a wawu a ode akọ ka do de eja so man pa bo ni mu nya de no fire o mu nyina
Mr. Medase oba Pavik Samri
onya busheni
onya le
me mfa ya busuafo em ko fa ma
na wa betina he na den na person ko
una wo se but judge ko boku anim
ye ba wana ro kasa first me am do ba akra wa sam
wudi ka wa infia is wadi nkonim
yo mami for wudi ka wa o man se ba cha for say na kasa fi
hello
so why you
me pa cho me ni edori
hey na bibia boko de ma
nyame adumo na so e
nyame gusu yemi obolo
oh papa no wa ya de na asam ya de papa aso kuni biam because so ma so da ya na ma bo bi tuo wo opete tuo anya me ma me na me bo ni tuo enti so me ma me so me bo ni tuo dia
me mommy a suspect. And a minion so ya suspect. And she brown and the aya de wate.
Yo.
Momo sister,
Nyami shira also me da say. Obakuno. Okay. Abusia me TV for bia media phone nyina see says 30 after 5.
Why are there? And why are there papa. O space brew inti.
My day. Mami family last call. Me bacho we have last call. I first said I got say. For the new. Na bibia boko there. For the new who are those na bibia boko there father.
Na kwano. Yankopon wadom. Ekuya mind persuasion nyina etiam.
Me da say ye jo omo so che wadwe wasem. Me da say me huna mu ye din pa. Te se mpa bia me koda so den answer.
Ani atawe for the
buke mu ayo.
Che wadwe wasem yo.
Amen ka je me ni oberu manisi. Inede eyo no an oba kasa wa se dai ni na. Eji me so dai na me hu obi. Owo ana sa tetere na me kum na me ma me obeba se sa tetere na me kum no ono na me kum na na. Ade me ma me no wada hu atetere wa na jo na wotata me ana wada hu opete na wotata me ana jo. Me ni obi na obeso de be ba se mu ne mu. Ono kura so ye suspect o ka hu bi papa. Me ni obi na ono kro yo be fu mu hima. Nti ono kwa mesin ye kum na kum ne biom. Nti na me de me ta me ni obere meti.
Yo,
Aja. Ahimani de issue na ba fun de we tie studio. Ahimani de ya ta frɛ man ahimani.
Right abusia media for the nyinasi. Ya from na Kwame Mpere betimi from the fighters the mama nyina ka chire me. It was a throwback afternoon. Ya mama de awura nwumre mpreko. 32 after 5. Me do bibia say, wa wutie me bia. Victor Hineda Koliste wa the boy. Nana Odamia Betty. Oronso Eltenka. DJ Donzi. What you anonso nka? Se oprepre nyumuni gum. Asara kese enkoma DJ Zigibi listo wa. Afi Nana Kwame upon said the okore. Samri de china anibiri ensoja. Sani ewie kura wani aso no. Just a china kura wunye ni na de ahubi. Ba sani etibia no. Nyame no de mo no aso na esaji that's right.
Obra kwantu no.
Big afro.
Peter.
Yeah.
Omo kan Peter. Enye Peter o. Peter.
Okay.
Kofi Afol. Yeah. Afol. Yeah.
Nti ono so be afro,
Peter.
Big afro.
I
don't know chairman the GPRTU. Waterma station. That's right.
Transport
and equipment station no.
Oh,
that's right. That's right.
And
now grow super here. E chire oba ha no de that's right. And I jump into so be ba ha.
Jump into.
Chire nyampa 1 p.m.
Oba, me born in Samani Babaji so.
Okay.
Because inte. Yes.
All right, it is what it is once again. Mami chi obi biara na me na obi biara say. Nyampa Sunday. Catch me live inside Tycoon. Sunday anwumre bia. Na me momodi enchia. Chief Inspector Okuma Jidom. Ebiale. All right, I'm your money at Yasia. I'm over Sabi Shebio Kai. Life in this world is a great struggle, both on young and old. And even those with greater riches have troubles on your own. Rich man envy poor man envy the reader. For what is the sense in envy your neighbor? It has always been my words of motivation. More do indi will come will be beara be BMO. Nakai say Yamedo. Into do yonko sell. Anyway, didn't cram a cock.
Sugar sweet, but your love is sweeter. So below juice mixed with a little ginger. Oh girl, I wanna be with you, but you know they got enough time for me. I wanna live with you. I got the reason why I can't let go. Girl, you never know, say you gon' gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, say you gon' gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, you gon' gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know, say you gon' gossip. Man, them suffer to find your love. Match on your chin now, girl, don't talk. Got me like a thief in the night, long jaw. But you know, say, all of my niggas, them ball. Nothing you go ever need at all. Match on your chin now, girl, don't know. Taking it a break, at me, I know the rush. Baby, if you want me, catch a rebel, mommy, say, with me. Yeah, follow. If you I go follow, and I hope you know, say you be Doro.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okumaini, ye pieni, ye kramuche. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio.
This is what I want. If you go away,
We are blazing.
service. Then I can see her face to face. Me not no time to waste. I just refresh face to space. Masha Solachel, I'm a chef from Martin. Babre, I am Cambo, me not to come to Matum. But you know, being your casa, me and my phone. My Fidash, I'm in some Obile Mansha. From my young well, if all by one of them are baffled. And I should get no way for a soul. Kaka, warehouse, man, Joe, to tell Bosho, man, no, no one to call man. Okoman Radio, 97.1. Why am budget? Tantemba yenye project. Yo, BBA, what a project. Mention on a BBA set. In your libi, Labalaba, a billion, put them off and pass at you. They shall born no logoliki. Nice which in the Lengamina. My way, this service. Then I can see her face to face. Mina, no time to waste. I can't fresh face to space. Oh, me no. So I am all day. I tell me where me got to a safety. But I mean only one is 3 today. I don't want for someone I can be. Wow. I can't do that. So we are me lady. We are me serpent and me go crazy. I mean why? And me sa. Want me try me now. Wow. Who feel like a gaga? You love me brother. Who feel like a gaga? You love me brother. Gaga me brother. Me now. Bobo. Okoman Radio, 97.1. Mina, Bobo, Sambra, Yendiodo. Awo Mino, Mina, Seme huwa mijenda, oh Seme huwa mijendo, Mina, Mino, Awo Mina. Yo, mister, grandma, Jim, agent, twister. I am a knock, with umbrella, my sister, Zakios. Mina, yeah, real movie, other than I feel you, Davy. He's scared, no more to go. My banana, prepare, rice, to feel so cheap. Say me, in a Mary, Miss Who Mary, maybe, Mikain, Yala, Muntumunda. Malamiki, Mina, Samba, share, and meet me dress up by ya. Meeting tank, but on the fridge. Say, no, you and the massa, so, Mat on the street, Waba. I can't down me bridge. Mina, the DJ, one no more.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. We are blazing.
Masaka
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, your station all day. Okoman Radio, your station all day. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, your station all day.
Something
from Liberia. Jaga, where Nigeria. Hey man, I see that. I like it, I like that. I want it, I want that. Okay, make me know, come on, me know. Me the cry, me the Fiona. Got problem things, strings, them things. Your way,
Okoman Radio, your station.
No one, lay back. Kala go ni wa fe. Wa wushi ni wa fe. Ye bo wa na jami kente. Kabule, ahanyola. Ye pioni ye tani ye kuoni ye tuoni ye fioni ye woni ye tuoni. Si, fesene, bibolo tibaya. Atapa, kakota. Afefu, fe masteni. Atapa, kakota. Afefu, fe masteni. Atapa de bitche kente.
Okoman Radio, 97.1.
Run some things, break some things. You must run some things, break some things, swing some things. You must run some things, break some things. You must run some things, break some things, swing some things. Mi chica bonita, mi señorita, yen panasa, yen sada. Mi chica bonita, mi señorita, yen panasa.
Okoman Radio, 97.1. Okoman Radio, your station.
Break something. You wanna run something, break something.
Okoman Radio, your station.
Me